For years, we've heard the same question: will artificial intelligence replace teachers? My answer is simple: no. AI will not replace teachers, but teachers who learn to use AI effectively will lead the future of education. Because education has never been about information alone. It's about relationships. It's about encouragement. It's about believing in a child before they believe in themselves. And no machine can replace that. A student doesn't remember their favorite teacher because of a worksheet. They remember the teacher who listened, the teacher who cared, the teacher who inspired them to dream bigger, the teacher who never gave up on them. That is the human element of education. And AI cannot replicate the power of human connection. What AI can do is become a powerful assistant. Imagine creating lesson plans in minutes instead of hours. Imagine differentiating instruction for every learner. Imagine generating reading passages, writing prompts, assessments, rubrics, and parent communication with the click of a button. AI doesn't replace the teacher. AI removes obstacles so teachers can spend more time doing what matters most: teaching students. The classrooms of the future won't be powered by AI alone. They will be powered by a partnership between innovation and human expertise. The most powerful classroom in the future will combine human relationships. Students need connection. They need mentors. They need role models. They need someone who believes in them. Teacher expertise. Teachers bring wisdom, experience, judgment, and instructional knowledge that AI simply does not possess. Teachers understand context. Teachers understand children. Teachers understand learning. Student creativity. Our goal is not to teach students what to think. Our goal is to teach them how to think, how to innovate, how to create, how to solve problems, how to dream. And creativity will remain one of humanity's greatest strengths. Responsible AI. AI should be used ethically, responsibly, and intentionally, not as a replacement for thinking, but as a tool that helps us think deeper, learn faster, and create more opportunities for success. The future belongs to educators who are willing to learn, to adapt, to innovate, to lead. The question is no longer whether AI is coming. The question is whether we are prepared to use it wisely. Because the future of education isn't human versus AI. It's human intelligence amplified by artificial intelligence. And when great teachers combine their passion, expertise, and heart with the power of AI, students win, schools win, communities win, and education becomes stronger than ever before. Remember this: AI will not replace teachers. Teachers who learn to use AI effectively will lead the future of education. The future isn't something we wait for. The future is something we create together. Thank you.